Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to your maths class. And kids, yesterday we have started our exercise 8.1 and in that exercise we have completed up to question number 5. Now today we will move toward further in that exercise, but before moving toward, I would like to introduce you with a new concept. Okay, so take out your copies and book and get ready for your class. Okay, now see class. So yesterday we have started our exercise 8.1 where we have done question of changing a given unit of meter into centimeter. But now today we will learn how to convert. Today we will learn conversion of kilometer to meter. Conversion of kilometer to meter. Okay, now in this conversion of kilometer to meter, first of all, kilometer, let us understand about kilometer. So when we have to measure a long distance, and what do we mean by measuring long distance? Long distance means that distance between cities to cities, a city to a different city, and distance covered by a flight, distance covered by a train. We all measure these type of distances in kilometer. So kilometer is what? Kilometer is a bigger unit of the measurement of length. Okay, now so today we have to do the conversion. Of kilometer to meter. So like when we were doing conversion of meter, when we were doing conversion of meter to centimeter, what we were doing? While converting that, we were multiplying a given number with 100. But here, while we will convert a given number in kilometers, so we will multiply kilometer to meter, we will multiply that number with 1000. Okay, so we will read about that further, but first of all let us see what is written in your book. Okay, Acha, while traveling from one place to another, you must have seen this type of board. And what is written on this board? Like say Mumbai, 40 kilometer. That means from that particular place, Mumbai is where? Mumbai is 40 kilometer away. Or something like this also. Something like this. Say speed limit 40 kilometer per hour. So you must have seen things like this, like speed limit is 40 kilometer per hour. So what does it mean? So here see, kilometer is written. So kilometer, we use kilometer to measure. This is what kilometer, and we use kilometer to measure the longer distances. Now second thing, now if I have to measure the distance between say Delhi, if I have to measure the distance between Delhi to Kolkata, if I have to measure the distance between Delhi to Kolkata, what I'll do? So So I will measure it with the help of meter or centimeter, or I will use kilometer. 3 units are given: meter, centimeter and kilometer. So which unit I will use to measure the distance between Delhi to Kolkata? तो क्या मैं सेंटीमीटर यूज करूंगी और आई विल यूज दिस स्केल. व्हाट आई विल यूज? यस, आई विल यूज किलोमीटर. Kilometer is the right answer if I have to measure the distance between Delhi and Kolkata. Okay, so we understand that kilometer, we use kilometer to measure the distance between two cities. Okay, now moving ahead. So today we have to read about conversion of kilometer to meter. Conversion of kilometer to meter. Now, so 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. What does it mean? That when 1000 meters come together, they form 1 kilometer. Okay, when 1000 meters come together, they form 1 kilometer. Now one more thing is that now we have to convert. What we have to do? We have to convert 1 kilometer, suppose kilometer to meter. Now if 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, then 2 kilometer equals to, if 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, then 2 kilometer equals to, tell me, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter and 2 kilometer is equals to, 2 kilometer is equals to 2 into 1000 meter. Now what does it mean? It means that whenever we have to convert from kilometer to meter, what we will do? We will multiply the number with 1000. What we will do? We will multiply the given number with 1000. That means if I have to convert, say if I have to convert say from kilometer to meter, so what I have to do? I have to multiply in kilometer 1000 and I will get my answer in meter. Now one more thing, again applying the same method that we have that we were applying in meter to centimeter, that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. So we have to find, if we have to find 2 kilometer, what we will do? We will multiply. Why we are multiplying here? Now we are multiplying here. We are multiplying here because 1 kilometer का तो दिया है, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. This is to given. Now 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter is given. We have to find out 2 kilometer. Say 2 kilometer. 1 किलोमीटर का 1000 मीटर, ये हमें पता है. अब 2 किलोमीटर में कितने मीटर्स? सो अगर 1 में 1000 है तो 1 का दिया है, एंड अगर हमें मैनी का पूछा है तो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. 1 का प्राइस इज गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्राइस ऑफ मैनी, सो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई हियर. ओके, नाउ सी. Now 2 kilometers equals to 2 into 1000 meter. That means what we have to do? We will multiply this 2 with 1 and we will increase this 30. 2000 meter. Got Got it? 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter and 2 kilometer equals to 2000 meters. Okay. Okay, so let us do some questions. So, first question is 5 kilometer and second question is 8 kilometer. Now 5 kilometer and 8 kilometer, two questions are there, 5 kilometer and 8 kilometer, and what you have to do, you have to convert them into meter. Now see, first line will remain the same. First line will remain the same. That says 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. That line will remain the same meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. That line will remain the same. Now 1 kilometer ka price is given. We have to find the price of 5 kilometer. So agar 1 ka price is given and we have to find out the we have to find the 5 kilometer. We have to convert 5 kilometer into meter. What we will do? We will multiply this 5 with 1000. Five into 1000 equals to 5000 meters. Okay, 5 into 1000 equals to 5000 meters. Great. Moving ahead, next is 8 kilometer. Next is 8 kilometer. So, first line will remain the same. First line will remain the same. That says 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. This line will remain the same. Now we have to find out the 8 kilometer. We have to convert the 8 kilometer into meters. So what we will do? 8 kilometer is equals to 8 into 1000 meter. Now 8 into 1000 meter equals to 8000 meters. 8 into 1000 meter equals to 8000 meters. Okay. 1 का दिया है, 5 का दिया है, 8 का दिया है. Okay, 5 का 8 का 2 का दिया था, हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया. Now note it down, then we will move ahead. Come on, note it down. See, question is very easy. What you have to do, you just have to multiply 1000 in that. Question is very easy. Come on. Okay. Moving toward the next question. Now, question number 3. Say 15 kilometer. Now you have to convert 15 kilometer into meters. And then question number 4 we are having 12 kilometers into meter. Now solve this question yourself. Come on, solve this question. (15 kilometer and 12 kilometer). Method is same. Method is same. Come on, solve this question. 12 kilometer. Now our starting line will remain the same. That means 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. That will remain the same. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. That will remain the same. Okay. Next we are having 15 kilometer. Now 15 kilometer is equals to 15 into 1000 meters. 15 into 1000 meters. Now what you will do? You will just write the 15 and you will increase the 30. 15 लिख के we will increase the 30. We will write the 15 and then we will increase the 30. 15,000 meters. 12 kilometer. Now 12 kilometer is, first line will remain the same. That means 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now 12 kilometer equals to 12 into 1000 meter. 12 into 1000 meters. That means 12,000 meters. This is what? This is our answer. What we have done? अब देखो यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट में दिया था नंबर, बट स्टिल आवर प्रोसेस वो सेम. हमने क्या किया? हमने 1000 मल्टीप्लाई किया. What we have done? We have just multiplied 1000. Now again I am explaining you why we have multiplied 1000 there. Because we have multiplied 1000 there. Because 1 किलोमीटर में 1000 मीटर. दिस तो वी नो. 1 का दिया है, देन अगेन 15. दैट मीन्स मेनी का पूछ रहा है, तो वाई व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. 1 का दिया है, मेनी का पूछ रहा है, सो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, ग्रेट. ओके, सो अब तक जो क्वेश्चन मैम ने किया बोर्ड पे, उसमें आप देख पा रहे हो कि यहाँ पे मीटर पार्ट इज मिसिंग, ओनली किलोमीटर पार्ट इज गिवन. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आई विल ऐड मीटर पार्ट ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल ऐड द मीटर पार्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, okay. So the first question is 2 kilometer 485 meters, and second question is 8 kilometers and 322 meters. Now see, in both the question meter part is given, खाली किलोमीटर नहीं है, meter part is also given. तो अब तक after converting so many things, like you have already converted rupees to पैसा, then meter to centimeter, आपको ये आइडिया लग गया होगा कि what we have to do in this question. Now see, in this question we will only convert the kilometer part, because देखो किलोमीटर से मीटर में जाना है, हमें किलोमीटर टू मीटर कन्वर्ट करना है, तो किलोमीटर पार्ट को ही कन्वर्ट करेंगे. अब जैसे 322, दिस नंबर इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन मीटर, तो अब इसको कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे. व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल जस्ट ऐड दिस. हम इसे क्या करेंगे? वी विल जस्ट ऐड दिस. हम इसे खाली वी विल ओनली ऐड इट. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी. 2 kilometer 485 meter, 8 kilometer 322 meters. Let us convert. Now see, our first line will remain the same. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. This line will remain the same. Now 2 kilometer 485 meter is equals to 2 kilometer plus 485 meters. ठीक है, so that means what we have done, 2 kilometer 485 मीटर को हमने क्या किया, we have divided into it two parts. टू पार्ट्स में हमने क्या कर दिया, इसे डिवाइड कर दिया. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we will convert only this kilometer वाला part. We will convert only this kilometer वाला part. Now 2 kilometer means 2 into 1000 meter plus 485 meters. Now 2 into 1000 meter will give us 2000 meters. 2 into 1000 meter will give us 2000 meters plus 485 meters. Now see, what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers. Now 2000 plus say meter plus 485 meter. Now add this number, add these both number. Here we'll get 5, 8, 4 and 2 meter. So our answer is 2485 meter. This is what? This is our answer. This is our answer. Okay. Now moving toward this question. 8 kilometer 322 meter. Here also we will do exactly like this. Okay, let us do. Now first line will remain the same, that is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now 8 kilometer equals to 8 kilometer 322 meter equals to 8 kilometer plus 322 meter. 8 kilometer plus 322 meter. Okay. Now, so we will convert this 8 kilometer. Now, 8 into 1000 meter plus 322 meter. Okay. Adding these two both, see what we will get, 8000 plus 322 meter. Now we have to add these two numbers. See, 8000 plus 322. What we will get? 2238. That means 8322 meter. 8322 meter. This is what? This is our answer. Okay. Chalo. I am going to give you some more questions. Okay. Now moving toward the next question. Okay, now this question you guys will solve. So question is 6 kilometer 283 meters, and next question is 7 kilometers 425 meter. Come on, solve this question yourself. 6 kilometer 283 meter and 7 kilometer 425 meter. What you have to do? You have to solve this question yourself. Okay. See. 6 kilometer. So first line will be 1 meter equals to 1000 meter. Now 6 kilometer 283 meters equals to 6 kilometer plus 283 meters. Okay. 6 kilometer plus 283 meters. Now moving ahead. 6 multiplied by 1000 meter, and here we will add this number, that is 283 meter. 283 meter we will add here. We'll get 6000 meter plus 283 meter. 6000 meter plus 283 meter. Now what we will do? Now we will add these both number together. So adding them together we will get 6283 meter. Okay. Now next question is 7 kilometer 425 meter. Next question is 7 kilometer and 425 meters. Let us solve it. Okay. So starting line will be 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. This will be our starting line. Now 7 kilometers equals to 7 kilometer 7 kilometer 425 meters equals to 7 kilometer plus 425 meters. Together they will form 7 into 1000 meter plus 425 meters. What we will do? 7 into 1000 meter plus 425 meters. Chalo, let us add them. So it will become 7000 meters plus 425 meters. And together they will form 7,425 meters. Okay, fine. So we have completed this question. Now take this 4 question as your homework. 8 kilometer, 28 kilometer, 9 kilometer, 425 meter, and fourth one is 15 kilometer, 36 meter. Okay. Now kids, so we have done conversion of kilometer to meter. Now this is it for today. Now tomorrow also we will continue with the same topic. Till then, goodbye.